My goal is for Intercom to have the absolute best webinar program in B2B SaaS, full stop. That's what Goldcast has been able to allow us to do. It was able to provide just the best possible experience for our audiences coming and consuming our content and virtual events. We're able to deliver our content that we invest a lot in a way that's much more efficient for our team and in a way that we can scale the program as we continue to grow. Intercom is the only complete AI-first customer service platform, and we work to empower businesses to be able to deliver the absolute best customer experiences they can at scale. Goldcast Content Lab has been a game changer for us in a lot of ways. The first is just in additional content creation. Now I can do that on my own in hours. And the second part is the distribution. That happens literally instantaneously now. The AI features and tools that Goldcast has created has not only allowed us to do better work, but we can do more work that's quality in less time. And on top of that, we're able to take that content and use it in so many different channels and formats and get much more value from it over time in ways that just simply weren't possible before. In terms of the ROI of working with Goldcast, I think about that through three different lenses. The first is just scalability. And we've gone from doing a few webinars per quarter to now doing 50 plus per quarter on average, sometimes even more. The second is in the campaign level metrics. And we've seen our registration numbers consistently increase. That can be from the hundreds to the multiple thousands of people registering. Our attendance rates have continued to climb. We average between 32 and 35% attendance rates for a lot of our webinars, but upwards of 50, 55, 60% sometimes. And the last is on the business impact. And it's made webinars one of the top performing channels we have on our demand generation team. If you're looking for the best in class to be able to deliver really stellar experiences and also have all of those managerial tools at your disposal, the ability to create content, syndicate it, get it in front of the right people, Goldcast is a great tool for you.